Asking for directions. Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson 12 of our English for Beginners course. We will learn how to ask for directions on the street, which is very useful when you travel. Excuse me, where is the bank? How can I get to the train station? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map?
Go straight ahead. Turn left, turn right. It's near the park.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the museum?
Sure, go straight ahead, then turn left. The museum is next to the library.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.